Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru Mantra. My name is Guru Raj. It was yet another good day when it comes to Nifty. It was a very good rally. As usual, we'll start with our analysis. Like first, we'll discuss about open, high, low, close of the day. Then we'll discuss top gainers, top losers of the day, and then we will discuss about the chart and the expected moves. Where is the resistance and support? All those things we can discuss. So first, as usual, we'll go with open, high, low, close. Market opened at 17,315 level, which is again 135, nearly 140 points gap up opening today also. Like just like yesterday, it has opened 130 plus point open. Today it was a gap up opening of 139 points. So after opening gap up, it was expected that some profit booking will come or some negative bearish scenario will happen, but it has not happened, and it kept going up and up and up. And in a day, it has made a high of 17,484. Of course, the way we discussed, 17,430 will be the resistance, and it has shown some resistance. It has touched 17,425. It came down, and again it went, and it was there for quite some time around 430 level. But once it crossed 17,430, then it reached the high of 17,484 in a day, and it has closed at 17,469, that is around 470 level. As usual, we know that market will be volatile on Thursdays. It is expected to be volatile on Thursdays because it's a weekly expiry. But the market data, when we go through the PCR, when we go through the open interest, all these things are a little bit confusing today. And the 17,400 has a maximum put rating, 17,500 has a maximum call rating, followed by 17,600. So with this data, we can come to a little bit conclusion that market may remain volatile between this range 17,400 to 17,600. But when it comes to detailed data, call buying has happened up to 17,700 level, even including 17,650 has seen some call buying. So a little bit confusing data, but still we can say that 17,400 and 650, 700 can be the level for tomorrow. Now let us go to the top gainers and top losers for the day. When it comes to top gainers, of course, the market has rallied 250 plus points. So there are so many top gainers like Bajaj Finance, Maruti, Hindalco, SBI, Bajaj Finserv, Britannia, Asian Paints, ICICI Bank, Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, Infi. These are some of the top gainers for the day. And when it comes to top losers, there are not many top losers, but of course, there is like HDFC Life, Kotak Bank. These were the top losers among major top losers, and Power Grid, Divi's Lab, IOC are some other top losers. I would not like to say that these are the top losers, but these stock have closed in the negative, because to say top losers, they have not shredded more than 1%. 1 point, HDFC has shredded only 1.17%, so not a much drawdown. So these are the data for the day. Let us now go to the next part of our video, where we'll understand through the chart that what can be the expected move for tomorrow, and it's a weekly expiry, so it will be interesting video. Please please continue watching. So friends, here is Nifty 50 15 minutes chart. As you can see, the vertical line which I have drawn, this is the opening of the day. This was quite a big gap up opening with 139 140 points, and once it has opened here, it has never come down below this line, so it kept going up and as expected, it has the 17,430 level. Here you can see this is 17,430 level, which we have discussed yesterday. So you can see how much time it has spent here. It is a 15-minute chart, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 points. So nearly 2 hours it has spent in the same 17,000 below 430 level. So it was quite a good resistance, and it has broken the resistance. After breaking resistance, it has gone up and closed 17,470 level. So what will happen tomorrow? Let us see. So as I have drawn some of the indicators here, I'll just try to bring it down so that all the indicators are visible on the chart. So these will be some of the important resistance and important supports. The first support obviously will be 17,400 level, because we have seen maximum put rating at 17,400, and it has shown a 17,400 here. It has shown a very good support. So it will work as a support for tomorrow, 17,400. Unfortunately, suppose if it goes down, then the next support will be definitely at the 17,300 level, and the further support will be at 17,200 level. So these are the three major supports: 17,400, 300 and 200. These will be the major supports for tomorrow, expected to be volatile. And when it comes to major resistance, the first resistance will be 17,500. Why is because, as you say, as I have explained earlier, that 17,500 is seen the maximum call rating, so it is expected to close somewhere between 400 and 500. But we never know, market is superior to everybody, so market can give some freak moves and all these things will become very difficult to understand. So always take your position with the hedge or be safe, don't take it to huge position. And the next level what we are discussing is around 17,760 level. This is the last support, last resistance for tomorrow. So these are the important levels to watch out. If the market opens flat, then definitely it will try to remain volatile between 17,400 and 600 level. But if it opens gap up or gap down, then as explained, 17,600 for gap up, 600 and 750 level will be the major resistance. And if it opens gap down and if it goes down, then 17,300, 17,200 will be the major supports for tomorrow. Have a nice trading day, and keep subscribe my channel and keep watching my channel, like and share. Thank you.